Sunday to 1 p.m. Monday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 12 and 18 inches. Nice accumulations around a light glaze. Where? Portions of northern New Jersey and southeast Pennsylvania. When? From 1 a.m. Sunday to 1 p.m. Monday. Impacts. The strong winds and weight of snow on tree limbs may down power lines and could cause sporadic power outages. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning commute. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.